Deshpande. I'm Senior Group Director for Informa Markets in India. I lead the pharma, food, beauty and the healthcare portfolios. Along with me, I have got my colleague CPHI Karkhanis, who's the portfolio director and portfolio lead for the pharma industry, and Ruby Solanki, who is head of marketing for Informa Markets Pharma portfolio. Today, Sarvesh Singh, who is CEO of Telangana Lifesciences, was to join us along with Bhanu, DG for Pharmexcil, but they have to go to the Chief Secretary's office today for some urgent meeting, so they couldn't join us. The reason we are having this presser today was to make a very exciting announcement, and specifically in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is, as you all are aware, is known as the backyard of the vaccines. If India is called pharmacy to the world, its backbone is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is where your pharma industry has risen to leaps and bounds. As most of you all must be aware, we Informa Markets in world are the biggest organizers of pharma exhibitions through our brand CPHI, which is probably the largest. In India also we do a brand which is also our JV, which is CPHI India, co-located with PMEC India. To give you all a little bit understanding, CPHI as a show concentrates on API, that's active pharmaceutical ingredients, biologics, excipients, so everything that is required to make a drug. Co-located with PMEC, which is all about technology pharma, machinery pharma, processing machinery, analytical labs, HVAC, and everything that is required to make the medicines. For over 2 decades, launched in 2006, CPHI has been the premier platform as far as the pharma industry is concerned. But after 2 decades, the event which has proudly served itself as the heart of pharma in South Asia has come to a momentous juncture where we have now decided to split CPHI and PMEC. And why are we splitting it? Because Indian pharma sector is growing leaps and bounds. Because of this, and to do justice to both CPHI and PMEC, the logical decision was to split the shows between 2 locations in Greater Noida. So while CPHI moves to a very new exciting venue, which is HICC, Yashubhumi in Dwarka, again a venue built by Government of India through Ministry of Commerce. So CPHI will move over there. This venue stands as a premier international hub for the exhibitions that are held over there. Parallelly, PMEC India will continue to stay in Greater Noida in India Expo Mart. That's where it has been a home for both CPHI and PMEC now almost for the past 6 or 7 years. 2018 when we moved from Mumbai to Greater Noida. Through this split, what will happen is we will recognize both industries, the pharma manufacturing and the pharma industry, ingredients industry, to be 2 strong industries, the base or the platform through which the pharma industry is growing. With over more than 50,000 attendees, 2,000 exhibitors from 120 countries, both the shows, which will be same ecosystem, it's only that the venues are separate. This happening this November will make sure that we show the full strength, and I repeat it again, show the full strength of the Indian pharma industry, not only in Asia, but to the world. This event will also have a lot of content. This year we have planned a completely new concept with pharma leaders roundtable happening in CPHI. But and why am I saying this over here? Because we are also having a pharma technology roundtable in PMEC, which is led by most of the people from Hyderabad. Dr. Reddy's, Hetros, the Mylans, and of course Pharmexcil. This year we have got curated a lot more content in addition to a regular content like the Women in Pharma, the India Pharma Awards, which has now become probably a must-attend event as far as the pharma industry is concerned. Together, this innovation this event will become the #1 in Asia, in South Asia. Thank you. So one venue. pharma industry in India has grown. We need to be doing justice to both machinery and the ingredient side. Currently in India, there is no venue that can, as combined, accommodate both the units. Logical decision was, have it in the same area, which is Delhi NCR, but at two different venues. Overlapping of one day, and enough connection. We have got shuttle buses, we have got shuttle pharma industry to come and visit us.
So what candidates are expecting for visitors? For how many people are expecting?
50,000 people is what we expect the footfalls to be this year.
Why two different locations for the same subject but on the pharma industry?
So it's different. I'll tell you how. CPHI is pharma ingredients. It's your APIs, it's your excipients, it's your peptides, it's your biologics, it's your biosimilars, everything in CPHI. PMEC is your pharma machinery, packaging machinery, processing machinery, lab analytical, HVAC. So everything that is required. So combination of this both is what a pharma company would be looking for. But what was happening is 3 days packed in that single venue, people were not able to. So this was a specific request from the industry that we need more days, probably a 4th day. So we decided to split venues so that we could accommodate more. Look at this, there are so many new pharma ventures coming into India now, so many new pharma machinery companies coming. You know, it's surprising that till a few years back, we used to see a lot of international companies coming over here. Now, most of those international companies have set up their offices in India, they have set up their factories in India. There are so many JVs happening, there are so many M&As happening. So, to do justice to this ever-growing pharmacy industry in India, we thought we'll separate both the venues, both PMEC and CPHI. And the interesting fact is, we still have one overlap day.
Okay.
So, a person, whenever he's traveling from any corner of the world, can properly plan his journey to spend a couple of days in CPHI, to spend a couple of days in PMEC.
So there's two different locations, both on the different corners.
Yes, sir. One is in Greater Noida,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
is IEML, and one is in Yashobhumi, but it's still part of the Delhi NCR belt.
Okay.
And as just I was reading, a lot of big shows across the globe have now taken into the shape of separating the venues. And look at this, Indian pharma industry is growing. We are known as the home ground for vaccines, so many APIs, and the Prime Minister has announced that we should have so many API parks. Look at this, in Hyderabad itself we have got, and if I take the entire this belt between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, I think so most of your pharma industry is from here.
So it is sufficient arrangement for the visitors to visit both kinds.
Yes,
of
sir.
that.
Yes,
But
yes,
those
ma'am.
two overlapping days, 24th and 25th, wouldn't that be a conflict for you? Because if someone wants to attend at 24th here and at 24th there, wouldn't that be a...
Excellent question, ma'am. What we are doing is, we have got this app. In addition to app, we have got a separate team who's sitting in our office who will plan those days for you. What we do is, with our app, a person can actually pre-decide meetings 2 or 3 weeks in advance. He can properly plan his schedule for those 4 days.
So you're releasing the itinerary beforehand,
Yes, ma'am.
so that you
Our
can
app
plan
will
it.
go live at least a month before the show, which will have the exhibitor list, which is even now going to go live, with the stand numbers, where they are located, what they do. And maybe I'm just doing intermediates and APIs, but I'm interested in excipients and they are doing excipients. So probably, you know, you can then plan your trip that way.
In fact,
So
those 2
just-
days are going to help the visitors to do the crossover meetings if they want to. So they can cover both the shows in over 4 days.
And the app, is that like a new thing that you've created
No,
specifically
we
for
have
this? or does it-
upgraded. We always had an app, but now we have upgraded it to with lot of AI features. Everybody talks about AI, so we have also used AI to upgrade our app. So it's not a new thing, but we have upgraded our app.
Could you just give the name of the app just?
It's a CPHI PMEC app,
That's it, okay.
available on both Play Store as well as the iPhone, whatever.
Android and iOS.
Store and
What kind of numbers expected from the last?
Well, sir, this year we, and I can say this very proudly, we would have more than 2,000 exhibitors from 120 countries. And when I say 150 attendees, I'm also counting over here our international. Every year we have approximately 10 to 15% our visitors coming from international. And the good thing is that we are also work with, for example, Kotra, which is the Korean trade agency, or with our network of offices that Informa Markets has in Europe, in Americas, within Asia and ASEAN. We use those networks to make sure we get visitors from those countries.
So the visitors
In India, CPHI PMEC India is the only event which attracts highest number of international visitors.
Could you mention a few countries that the visitors are from?
Very happy.
That is the major ones?
The major Canada. We have got such as Switzerland, Canada, Germany, Finland. If I have to talk about Europe, we have got Americas. Surprisingly, we get a huge number of people from Brazil, Argentina, Americas. China, after a long time, now that the visa, Bangladesh, Nepal, we are supporting them also, so we see a lot of visitors from those countries also.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.